The only reason why I don't like shopping on AliExpress for wigs is because Amazon just comes so quick. Like, Jeff Bezos really wanted his pesos. He said they shit cheaper, but we come quicker. Y'all know I'm going to the Beyonce concert in 2 weeks. Hey, Nashville. But I really wanted to try this color because my outfit, I want to get Beyonce. Okay, so I want to do long. This 28-inch though. But this is glueless as well. I'm like, I want to try this color so bad, so I'm going to get it in glueless. And if I like it, I'm going to get it in frontal, you know? So let's just see. Even lace tint need to make some bigger cans, okay? But I'm just going to put my makeup on it. I don't even really need it all throughout the scalp for real. I'm going to just put it right there in the front. Because y'all know it's already the pre-cut lace with like that zigzag pre-cut shit. You know, we could put this bitch on in the car on the... You know, I just feel like, why is my life like this? Like, people wonder why I be cussing out objects. Bitch, I don't care if I got to curse out the motherfucking comb. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna cuss out anything that do me wrong. Ooh, hold on. This is freaking perfect. Like, I haven't even put my wax stick to the middle part yet. Bitch, it's just straight out the box with a little bit of makeup. Let me hear you say, hey, Miss Carter. Say, hey, Miss Carter. Give me some.